Have you ever dreaded new bills or worried that if you buy something you won't have money for something else? Being concerned about affording your lifestyle, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or worrying about retirement, financial stress can take a serious toll on overall quality of life. Achieving financial wellness is one of the main keys to living a fulfilling life. In today's video, we will give you actionable steps that will empower you to take control of your finances and stop stressing about money. A recent poll found that over 54% of adults admit to being stressed about their financial situation, which is not surprising. The education system does a terrible job of equipping us for the financial world. In the US today, the average monthly car payment on a used vehicle is over $530 and over $730 on a new car. The average US adult carries over $6,200 in credit card debt as of January 2024. Not to mention the low median figures for 401k accounts. It is no surprise that money worries are a key contributor to anxiety. The good news: you have the power to take control of your financial situation starting today. The Stoic mantra: focus on what you can control. This is true of many things in life, and when it comes to money, it is no different. In the short term, we may not have a lot of control of how much we earn, but we do have a large degree of control over how much we spend. Creating a surplus is of course easier to do on a larger income, but do not fall into the trap of believing it is not possible on an average or even a lower income. Consistently having a surplus at the end of the month is essential if you are to achieve a stable financial position. Cutbacks may be necessary, but need not be overly drastic. Pete notices that his favorite Starbucks coffee tastes a lot better if he has it once a week rather than once a day. A second-hand car that has been well looked after will drive just as well as a new one and save you a couple of $100s a month. Smart switches and small sacrifices add up quickly in the same way small expenses do. Once you have created a surplus, then focus on saving 1 month's worth of fixed expenses and keep it separate to your normal checking account, but somewhere readily available should you need it. Fixed expenses include mortgage or rent payments, car payments, utilities, and essential spending like groceries. You are building a safety net. Once you achieve this, it will be like a weight lifted off your shoulders. Step 2. Loans and credit card balances have to go. There are 2 popular methods to clearing debt. The debt snowball made famous by Dave Ramsey. List your debts from smallest to largest. Make minimum payments on all but the smallest, and then pay off as much as you can on the smallest until it is gone. Rinse and repeat. Another popular method is the debt avalanche. This involves listing debts by interest rate highest to lowest. Make minimum payments on all but the highest interest debt, and again pay off as much as you can on the highest until the debt is gone, then work your way down the list. Both methods work. Choose the one you prefer and stick to it. Step 3. At this point, you will have no credit card debt and a month's fixed expenses in a separate account to your main checking account. To be truly resilient, though, you will want to have between 3 months to a year's worth of fixed expenses saved. The correct amount for your emergency fund is personal and depends on your situation. Some of you will feel secure with 3 months while others may need more. Neither is wrong. Do what is right for you. Currently, it is possible to earn around 5% in high-yield savings accounts, so consider taking advantage of that rate. Make use of apps like You Need a Budget. Tracking your progress is a powerful tool for incentivizing productive behavior. Fundamentally, you need to understand that more possessions and giving in to urges to spend will not make you happier long-term and will only increase your stress levels if your debt level increases. Delayed gratification is something that will feel hard at first, but then it will start to feel wonderful. There are few things more satisfying than watching your debt shrink and then your net worth grow. Being able to consistently spend less than you make over years is how you build wealth. Failing to do this will see you fall further and further into debt. Becoming debt-free is a noble goal. This is the first step to having less financial stress. Having an emergency fund will lift the weight of the world off your shoulders and make you resilient when bad luck eventually comes your way. Follow these steps with the actions we discuss in our financial mistakes to avoid video. As mentioned previously, it is easier to apply the steps we've covered if your income is higher. Our next video will cover the money-making habits and approaches that help you earn more money and work both for employees and business owners. We also have videos that help you to enjoy your life with intentional spending. Subscribe for more content on a journey to a healthier and wealthier you. Good luck.